Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today NIO, it blasted off kind of in the morning, and then it just kind of trended down the rest of the day, unfortunately, finishing only up a 0.5%, which is pretty unfortunate because it was up over like I think 3% at one point this morning. But we'll look at the chart here in a second. But I also want to bring you some just some news out of China for luxury cars. So August retail sales of luxury cars in China were 278,000, which is down 9.4% year over year. So they're saying that usually August is kind of one of the peak months for the year for luxury cars. So they said the consumer environment for the luxury car market was stable in August, but most manufacturers saw production cuts or production line adjustments due to the good old chip supply issues, which obviously resulted in some impact on sales. We saw it with NIO, Xpeng, lots of other car companies. This not just luxury companies. So this is coming from the China Automobile Dealers Association. They said that the chip shortage is expected to continue to bring more uncertainty to the segment in the future, and growth will likely continue to decline in August to September. And that's again coming from the CADA, which hopefully doesn't affect NIO this month because it's supposed to be a huge month. I know back on the original chip shortage, here in the States, they were saying it could last, even into next year, but obviously NIO wasn't having problems like other companies. So they said the Chinese consumer demand for premium brands continues to be strong, but the chip shortage is hurting luxury brands. So here's just some examples. So Audi is currently producing for a few days and then taking a few days off because of the severe shortage of chips, with the A6L model production scheduled for just one day. Only a single day in September. So they said due to chip problems, there's basically no production plan for the A6L this month. And previously, there were rumors that Audi had stopped production of several of its main models due to chip shortages, and that several 4S stores in China were out of stock. And now they're basically just, obviously they're out of stock, so they're not selling cars. They're just, kind of like a back order system. They're just taking orders, and then whenever they come in stock, they'll, deliver them. But this isn't, the only company I've talked about over on my channel. That GM is shutting down pretty much all of its production here in their North American plants, besides the ones that make their full-size trucks and full-size SUVs, because those are like their highest demand vehicles. Also their highest profit margin vehicles is where they make most of their money. So they don't want to stop production of those, but Toyota was cutting back by 40%. Lots of other companies cutting back. So hopefully this doesn't, keep trickling down into, the further months than just last month. Hopefully last month was the worst of it, and we have a really solid month this month, especially because NIO said that they had record sales. So, could we see a 9,000, delivery month? That we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully there's no unexpected random part shortages that isn't a chip shortage, like suspension part or interior panels like last time. So we will just have to wait and see. But let's just go ahead and look at the stock real quick, and I'll show you what happened today. So as you see, we're finished only up a 0.5%, which is actually pretty disappointing, because if you look at today, we shot up. From here, just shot up, and then it was climbing up real nice. I thought it was going to be a fantastic day. Usually when it's up super high like that, I expect at least kind of like a half. If you're up 5%, I expected to pull back 2.5% and kind of finish around there. But that did not happen. It just pretty much slowly downtrended the rest of the day, which is really unfortunate. After hours, we're down. It keeps going between 1.7 and 2%, so that's not good at all. So we're back down under 40 right now after hours. So that's pretty unfortunate. I really wanted it to hold above 41, but really wanted it to hold above this 40 kind of resistance line, because then the next drop could be down to 39. But let's talk about Xpeng for a second, because they just blasted off today. Same with Lee. They were up really good. Lee was up 2.3%. Xpeng was up 5%, which is just fantastic. They did release a robot horse pony thing. I might do a video on that. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on that. It's like a robotic toy pony that's rideable as well, and kind of has like AI and stuff in it. So let me know if you want me to do a video on that, and I will. But as you can see, Xpeng had a great day. There was a huge buy up, around 1 o'clock or so, and it just blasted off. But yeah, they finished up 5%. But BYD, I've been talking about BYD more on my separate channel. It's just my name, Chad Sheridan. If you want to check it out, I'll put it in the description below. Forgot to do that last time, but yeah, BYD up 7.2%, which is just fantastic. Got all the way up to 70/40. They had their August deliveries and they completely blew it out of the water. I have a video also on my channel about their deliveries. I keep wanting to say earnings, but it's deliveries. Just blown it out of the water. They have their own separate kind of chip manufacturing business, so they are kind of able to stay away from all these chip shortages, which is good. Obviously they can't make every chip that they need, but they're producing, the ones that they do need. So that is good stuff. I also have a video coming out tomorrow morning, probably on my separate channel about that, because they're trying to IPO that business. So that's pretty awesome. So there's an update with that, but yeah, BYD, man, up 7%. This stock has been killing it lately for me. So like I said, going to be covering it more often, because it's, don't sleep on this one. It's no slouch, that's for sure. But that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching the video. It's just going to be me this week. Mike is on vacation. We weren't going to really post on this channel, but I figured we should probably post on this channel, even though he's gone. I'll probably be doing a couple live streams possibly this week as well on here, but I want to throw up a video. I'm going to try once a day, but we'll see how it goes. I might skip a day just depending on what's going on, but just wanted to keep you guys all updated on everything NIO and stuff on this channel as well. But like I said, check out my other channel, my separate channel. I'll have it in the description below. But thanks for watching. Leave a comment as always. Love talking to all you guys. Reply to every single comment. So again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.